like I got one more good sized spruce in the pile. So I got 16 inches on this end.